There you go, so yeah, just selling this toolbox. Just actually a good decent toolbox. Quite a lot of people disinterested in it. So yeah, all drawers comes out easy. Just a bit of paint wear and tear. I could add it myself, but I choose not to. It's just not what's putting me off and all. So I'm just going to put it on flatbed. So I think I set you up down there on that motor. So yeah. But yeah, like up there and selling that this wheelbarrow here. That's going to go soon. So I'm going to set you up. Maybe put it on tip flatbed. And I'm not making a racket. See that's alright for you guys to see. So that should be alright on there. One of them. But I'm not going to make a racket first thing in the morning. So yeah, I'm not going to put a trap on it. So yeah, so it's coming up for 25 quid. I only collected it yesterday. So I had it for 12 hours. No, more than that. 16 hours. And so ready getting sold. So yeah, put it on Marketplace and that's it.